Patience by Somebody's Child is played in standard tuning without a capo. We're going to start off with this little riff with the open A string, going to the second fret on the D string. I'm going to play that 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. And then we'll play 4th fret on the D string 4 times. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. That's played on repeat. We're then going to go to some chords. We have a bar chord, an A chord. I'm going to strum down in 8th notes for 2 full bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then go to a D bar chord. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again down in 8th note for 2 full bars. This is played on repeat. For the very last 4 bars in the verse, we're going to play 2 bars of A, go into 2 bars of E before we go into the chorus. So we have the A, down, 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 down in 8th notes, up to an E bar chord, 2 full bars down in 8th notes, and that takes us into the chorus. For the chorus, we're going to play a full bar of D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and again down in 8th notes, but just for 1 bar this time. Before we go to an A bar chord for 1 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and down to an F sharp minor bar chord, and then to an E major chord. I'm playing this here with the 3rd, pinky and 2nd fingers, just for the ease of moving from that F sharp minor chord. So a D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and A, 2 and 3 and 4, and F sharp minor. This is played twice. And then there's like a link section from the kind of second half of the chorus that takes us back into the verse. It's a D, going to an A chord, again a full bar of each, back to a D for a full bar. Then we have a half bar of A going to a half bar of E, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the D chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A for a full bar, then to an F sharp minor for 2 bars. Okay, so the whole linking section is D, A, D, A, E, D, A, and then 2 bars of F sharp minor. There's also a lovely riff in this song which we're going to look at now. Kind of reminds me of a Springsteen riff. It starts off with an A string open, then we're going to go to 5th fret on the A string. We could actually play the open D string as well here instead. I'm going to play 5th fret on the A string, then we're going to play 4, 2, 4, all on the A string. So open A, 5, 4, 2, 4, down to the 2nd fret on the low E string. So we've got the A string open, 5, 4, 2, 4, 2 on the low E string. Then we'll play open 2 on the low E string, go to A string open. Then we'll play a similar thing again, open E, 2nd fret, go into the low E string. Okay, so. And then we'll play the same thing again but without the open A string. And we'll finish just an open 2 on the low E string going to that open A string.